You guys, I am so excited. I have a record player. So Retrolife was lovely enough to send me one of their turntable speaker systems, and just in time too, because my old speakers were not working anymore. So here is me unboxing and putting her together. It's a plate. I'm sure there are instructions somewhere. Okay, what's in the box? 2 speakers, 1 power adapter, 1 tone arm, counterweight, 1 cartridge alignment, and 1 instruction manual. Thank God. I don't know what any of this is. Ha! The instructions. I have a sound system. I'm an adult. Okay. So pretty. Am I stupid? Okay. Oh, it's not because of this. Gorgeous. Seamless. Brilliant. Okay. I should remove this. Grass. Put this around this. And then that. Place it on the turntable. Rotate the platter 10 times in the direction of the arrow. Okay, place the slip mat. Aha! Counterweight. This guy, I feel like a scientist. Which direction? I'm gonna read this and come back. So she was actually pretty easy to set up once I really focused and comprehended the instructions. So here I am making some space for her in my room. I really love the wood and black finishes because I feel like it's just timeless and classic and matches the aesthetics. Ta-da! Gorgeous, gorgeous. I mean, look at her. She's just fitting in so well. She was meant for that spot. So I'm borrowing my roommate's record because your girl is new to the scene, but I wanted to test it out, you know? And so here's me jamming, grooving, because it sounds so good. So like I said, I'm new to the scene and I don't have any of my own records, but because this system has a Bluetooth option, I can still jam out while I grow my record collection. And this is me jamming out. Also, one last important thing before I go. Father's Day is coming up, and if your father loves music, Retrolife is having a Father's Day sale, so go check that out. Go check them out, and you can also use my discount code MonicaHime. Okay, bye.